The Multimedia Accordion Guide. Accordion dismantling. For the piano accordion, remove the back cushion, then remove the straps. Remove the pins that hold the bellows to the body. Be organized and manage the parts the best you can. Remove the grille. Carefully separate the bellows from the accordion case. Remove the hardware that might interfere with the tuning. Block the bellows holes with masking tape. Here are some videos on dismantling the accordion. Remove the straps. It is important to be well organized because the parts accumulate quickly, and if we do not have a system to organize them, we take the risk of mixing them up. I recommend a cake pan, which will serve as a binder. The screws and parts must be removed in the order they appear. To reassemble the accordion, all you have to do is to follow the reverse procedure. The grill from the Vedette 10 by Cavagnolo is held in place by 4 delicate screws. Piano accordions have 2 special screws located above and below the grill. Certain precautions are needed when disassembling an accordion equipped with internal microphones. Be very careful to handle the 2 parts of the accordion with care when separating them, especially the lower part. When reassembling the left-hand part, we often catch the skins of the terzetti on the inside edge of the bellows. Now go and may the angel's voice come out of your accordion.